Okay, YouTube, we're back and we are excited. Docs Diesel saw my filter video and they reached out to me and asked me to do a quick review video on their, what you're going to see right here, brand new oil that they're coming out with. They teamed up with Hot Shots and they came out with their own heavy duty diesel oil, fully synthetic, FR3 nanotechnology, and it's made in the United States. So that's always appealing to me, to be honest with you. This is a quick shot, just so everybody knows, this is what they gave me to do the video. They gave me a filter kit and they gave me some beer koozies right there. Unfortunately, I don't drink. A big claim to this oil is they get better gas mileage with the FR3 nanotechnology. You can see I'm currently getting 18.4. I'll keep you guys posted on that and see what happens if it goes up or it goes down. Quick note on that, I actually have a lot of highway miles on this truck right now to get it to 18.4. So I wouldn't be surprised if it went down slightly if I drive around town. Just so you guys know what's going on here, I'm actually removing my Docs filters from the previous video, and this has never happened to me. I've always been warned to check my oil filters for the actual rings sticking up on top of the block and not coming down so you don't double gasket it. And look, you're gonna see here, it's the first time this has ever happened to me. So always pay attention and look for those when you take an old filter out. If it's not on the filter, it's stuck on your block, and if you screw the new one up on there, you will leak, I guarantee it. Here we are. I will say that this oil is slightly thinner than the last oil that I filled this with. If you saw my previous video, you know what brand I used. But overall, so far, 5 days driving on it, I couldn't be happier. Thanks to Docs.